Hello to everybody. The 360 is gonna go up top, and that'll cool this pretty epic 11700K. I mean, latest and greatest right here. And then we're probably gonna put the 240 mil like up front, which will look a little bit weird, but only from the inside of the case.
Yes.
Which I don't think anybody's gonna be that offended because this is a pretty epic build.
Oh yeah, this isn't a 1080 hybrid. This is an RTX 3080, buddy.
This
This is RTX 3080.
Don't mess with us. We'll ask you, bro.
This is a ridiculously high-end build.
I bet you don't even know what a 3080 looks like.
Why do you guys build so many PCs? Well, that's kind of
We have a problem.
that's kind of our thing, you know. We make videos about PCs, we stream about PCs, we have a business about PCs. We're just computer guys. Like, what else do you want us to do?
I'm done with computers.
Oh, you're done?
No more.
No more.
I think we should start doing like tire repairs.
Tire repairs?
Yeah. If you had to go into another profession right now, what would you pick?
I couldn't tell you.
I mean, like, let's just like literally say like, this mystical man comes down and he's like, hey, everyone you know dies, you have to choose a new profession. Go.
I'm really struggling here.
Everyone's dead.
Everyone's dead.
Chat,
It's
you
too
guys are all
late.
dead.
It's everyone's dead.
Matt took too long?
That took too long. I don't know. I mean, I'd probably just do like, would it be cheating if I just did like work for some company on their social media or something? Like,
No, I think that's far enough
Yeah.
off. I think.
that's a little
If
bit
you
off.
said like, oh, I'd go do YouTube company, I'd be like, that's
can't do
kinda,
that.
I mean, yeah, I'd go work for Toasty Bros.
Yeah, exactly.
I'd probably end up doing something with cars, honestly.
Remember my issue with the payment on Newegg? I fixed the problem and now the PC's on its way. Nice! Congratulations.
Oh, hey, on a side note, guys, I don't know if anyone's tested it yet, but we do actually have payment plans now on our website where it's not like layaway either. Like you can use, it's just a firm, which a lot of you probably already use. But you should be able to buy any computer on our site and make, monthly or quarterly payments on it, and you can get the PC right away. Whoop, whoop. It's pretty cool.
No more layaway program, so if you're somebody who wants to get a PC and you reached out about a layaway option, you just run and get your PC now, which I understand. You can actually do that.
Dylan, he gives me PTSD.
Yeah, you're not the...
Dylan's giving away things.
Yeah, Dylan's giving away things that haven't gone over well on our channel.
This one's free. Well, actually,
The other one was, but I ended up having to pay out of pocket, so... I think we paid him. I mean, I don't know what MSRP is anymore for this 3080, but we got, there was a guy locally who won this in a Newegg shuffle along with the motherboard, and I think in total we paid...
It was like
$1,800 for the GPU and motherboard.
Which is expensive, very expensive, but still better than like eBay.
Can we just start talking about giraffes again? I don't know if that's a good idea.
I don't know, man. Because Amazon owns Twitch, and they didn't like the giraffe.
Jeffrey might be here and being like, don't be talking about giraffes.
Jeffrey says, honey.
No giraffes. Who here is excited for the giveaway stream on Friday, though?
Dude, I'm excited.
Who's ready for another goofy, silly 12 hours of fun? Bro, do some chores. That's what I do for a month. There you go. MC here.
What's up, cocksucker? Y'all didn't care that I said I had a cold this morning?
Did you say that?
Did you say that?
Well, I tried doing what Zach did. He said he had a fever, so I said I had a cold.
I didn't even see
He asked
it.
for thumbnail pics, I asked for feet pics.
Oh,
What?
you said all that?
No, you didn't.
What?
I don't think you said all that.
Matt and I would have noticed. As soon as we saw feet pics, we would have sent them.
Oh, you did say that. I didn't see it.
I woke up with a
McAllister
cold
sent
of
me,
69, and I could...
you say it's 69?
Yeah. Could I convince you to send me, I don't know, feet pics? JK.
McAllister sent me dick pics yesterday.
Unless.
I can't remember if that's the bottom one or the top one.
You like this, McAllister? We got
Oh god, it's demo mode.
AIO on the graphics card, AIO on the CPU, dual AIO.
AIO! Why is it?
Is
that just
remote? We'll
reflective?
use that remote and make it RGB again.
Make it RGB.
Make it great again, please.
We just gotta figure out what we want to do.
He could
script-wise
theoretically be
and
done
everything.
by the end of the day if we order it now. He responds in 2 days. What it says.
Oh.
He's I just downloaded Cameo. Yeah, he's on there right there. Steve Downs.
Nice.